Verizon locks accounts as a security measure to protect against unauthorized access, fraud, and cyber attacks, which have increased in recent years. Common reasons include multiple failed login attempts from unfamiliar devices, using AI-driven anomaly detection, suspected fraud alerts, or forgotten credentials. Verizon systems now categorize locks by severity: temporary, security-induced, or user-initiated. Verizon introduced a streamlined account recovery portal in mid-2025, reducing resolution times by up to 40%. As of November 2025, Verizon reports that 85% of unlock requests are resolved within 24 hours. To unlock your Verizon account, start with a password reset. Use the Forgot Password option on the Verizon website or app. Two-factor authentication is mandatory for verification. Verizon supports SMS, email, push notifications, or authenticator apps. If these methods fail, contact Verizon support via chat, phone at 1-800-VERIZON, or visit a store with personal details for verification.